Hello, welcome friends. Now I want to learning past tense and future. So let's begin how to say in affirmative and negative. Bulas marin poriko thangka. Why did he go to school? Why did he go to school? Bulas marin poriko hathangya. Why did not he go to school? Why did not he go to school? Ninglas marin julingdu. Why did you drink wine? Why did you drink wine? Ninglana bani laisi furiyaba. Why did not you study? Why did not you study? Bona bani poriko thangma. Why will he go to school? Why will he go to school? Bos marin poriko thangyama. Why will not he go to school? Why will not he go to school? Ningna bani gidilingma. Why will you drink honey? Why will you drink honey? Ningna bani lasipuriyama. Why will not you study? Why will not you study? Thanks for listening to me. Subscribe for more videos and I hope that you like today in this video.